Ladies, welcome back. Well, on Fem Foodies, this is the comeback week. Ipsita, Tarana and Mega have joined back Fem Foodies. They are back into the competition. Kiran, however, is burnt.
So ladies, today is a very, very important task.
Today, the six of you will once again cook solo, serve solo, and survive solo. 3 places are up for grabs. At the end of this task, only 3 of you will coast to safety. And the other 3 will fall from the frying pan onto the fire.
Ladies, today's theme is Indian. You are going to see India in a way that you have never seen before. Today, you have 6 pantries to choose from. The 6 pantries are Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab, my home state of Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan.
Well, the whole country is here. Huh?
The menu of each of these states is unique and versatile. Make it your own.
2 of you will be sharing a food truck and you will be given 90 minutes to complete this task. None of you want to be stepping on each other's toes while cooking on the food truck.
Well, here stand the 6 of you with a very unique opportunity. A unique opportunity to represent the regional cuisine of India and to change the food truck menus and influence the food truck menus of India. Trust me, people are now looking at you for ideas. Let's go surprise and inspire them.
But before we start, we've got the fun part, the pantry allocations.
Oh yeah, how can you forget that?
Absolutely.
Let's make it a little easy for you. You gotta play color pong.
What a way to get into a task, color pong.
Let's start with who's good at catching?
Tanisha, you ready
Who's
to
good
catch?
at catching?
Oh my God.
One more time.
I mean, come on, guys. I'm not here to catch balls. I'm here to cook food. It's just...
All right.
Come on, Yoga.
Let's go, Yogita.
Nice try, Yogita. It was a comedy of errors because no one could get through it. With a lot of tries, I think I was the first one to make it.
Oh!
Wow. There she
All
is.
that pep talk worked. All of it worked.
You have Rajasthan.
Rajasthan was playing really big on my mind. At that moment, all I could think about was the fact that I've only eaten lal mas in terms of Rajasthani food.
The next one, who are we throwing it to? Good.
All right.
Nishtha.
Almost there.
Oh, that was close.
That was close.
There she is.
Maharashtra.
When I was standing there, I was actually thinking, what can I make from Maharashtra cuisine?
Go for it. This is your chance to choose.
Oh,
All right.
good
There
job.
she is. Let's go for it, Naita.
We've got Kerala. Tanisha.
Tanisha, what is it that you really love? Imagine your most favorite food.
Pasta.
Which pasta?
Just a normal cheesy, creamy one.
Imagine this is a cheesy, creamy pasta. right? You gotta get it. There she is! Come on!
Great.
I got the green one, and for some reason, I thought that green would be Punjab, as in Green Revolution thing. It wasn't.
Gujarat.
And at that moment, I thought, oh, what do I know about Gujarat?
Yogita,
Take one.
let's go, Yogita.
Please, please.
Judges gave us so many chances, but I could not throw the ball.
Chitwan.
You had better get it.
All right. That's Chitwan. Let's see what she's gotten.
And it's Andhra Pradesh.
Now, Andhra Pradesh is something that I don't know too much about. I've eaten a little bit of the food, but again, very, very unclear on the general cuisine.
So, Yogita, you've got Punjab.
That was the Kesari Lassi color, by the way.
I'm happy.
Ladies, focus. Fun and games are over. You've got 90 minutes to complete your task.
Remember, there are 3 trucks, 6 of you will be sharing a truck each. You'll be making food truck food with the regional cuisine that you've chosen or that has chosen you. Good luck to all of you. Remember what's at stake. The 3 of you who do well will be coasting safely, and the other 3 will fall into the elimination zone. Your 90 minutes start now!
2 of us were put on one truck. We had to work together in the same amount of time.